Hello students, this is the third part of video for chapter number 4 from civics. So in the last video we have understood how and why the woman's work is being devalued by the society. Now women's work and equality, next topic that we are going to learn. As we have seen, the low value attached to the woman's household and caregiving work is not an individual or family matter. It is a part of large system of inequality between men and women. If therefore has to be dealt with through actions not just at the level of the individual or the family but also by the government. As we now know, equality is an important principle of our constitution. The constitution says that being male or female should not become a reason for discrimination. In reality, inequality between the sexes exists. The government is therefore committed to understanding the reason for this and taking positive steps to remedy the situation. For example, it recognizes the burden of the child care and housework falls on the women and girls. This naturally has an impact on whether girls can attend school. It determines whether women can work outside the house and what kind of job and career they can have. The government has set up Anganwadi or child care centers in several villages in the country. The government has passed laws that make it mandatory for organizations that have more than 30 women employed to provide creche facility. The provision of creche helps many women to take up employment outside the home. It also makes it possible for more girls to attend school. So here, as we understood that it is not the matter of an individual or a family. Overall the world, the men and women both are being treated differently. Their status are different. The work done by them is totally different. So why this is that we have to change that thing what we learned from the past or that we are continuing still today, that has to be changed. Why? Because equality, that is the key feature, a key principle of our constitution that allows to give away the opportunity to each and everyone, whether they are belonging to any of the caste, religion, caste or even the gender. So here we are talking about the gender, the male and the female. So equality should be given to each and everyone in every matters. So whether it is in for working, whether it is for seeking education, everything that has to be counted. So who can do this? The government can do this, and even the governments are taking many positive steps to deal with situation. They can just remove this kind of thinking, the thought, the discrimination what is being done by the in between the male and female, and to give away the opportunity to more women as they were being devalued. They were not getting enough opportunity by the society, friends and families. So that is being taken, that positive step is taken by the government. So here one example was being given, like the burden taking care of child and housework both falls on the woman and as well as girls. So for that, what the government has done, so this is the natural impact. So what the government has done, the government has set up a Anganwadi or a child care centers in the several villages in the country. Like Anganwadi is the place where the kids can be kept from early morning till evening, that is by 4:30. So for the whole day these children are being taken care by the Anganwadi caretakers, generally women. They used to feed them. The children are sleeping over there, the children are learning over there, so many things. So they are taking care of the children. Even the food is being supplied by the government itself. So they are also getting the good food where they need the nutrient at the early ages when they are childhood. So this helped the working woman to move outside of the house, and for working they don't have to take just think about children, because already they are in the safe hands in the Anganwadi. For the whole day they can work outside. So this is the good effort that is being taken by the government. Sometimes because of the domestic worker, they cannot fully trust on the domestic workers, because they are beating them, or even many cases was come forward in the cities. So this kind of step by the government was beneficial. Even all the nourishment the children are getting, the good food, even with learning they are getting. So by evening the mother can take away their children from these Anganwadis. Rather than that, government has taken one more step, that the organization who is having more than 30 women employees, then they need to give away the creche facilities, like the children's cradle, what you say in Gujarati, that is Godiya, that has to be given to the woman who is working and who is having small child. There should be a lady in the absence of the woman, the lady, if she is working, then the child could be taken care of. So that kind of facility is being given by the organization, and that is compulsory. If the organization is having more than 30 women employee, then creche facility should be given over there. So there should be a play area, there would be a cradle, there would be one lady who is going to look after the children. Everything is being done by the organization. So because of this facility, the woman can work outside of their house. Even the other thing, like girls free education, so they can get they can seek education, that is also necessary. And even like if they are not studied, if they have not seeked education, then the jobs they are providing, the career options they are giving away, many kind of skillful work are being taught by the government, like bunai kadai, if they already know, so they are setting up a fair for this bunai kadai. Generally you have seen in the Kutch and even in the Rajasthan, there is a mela where, or one particular day when all kind of this work is being, hand embroidery work stuff is being displayed and sold out. So their work is also being taken as counted, and the government is helping out to improve the condition and the positions of the women. So here is a picture, the children at the Anganwadi center village in Madhya Pradesh. You can see many women are taking care of the children. In posters also you can see they are learning many things also. Here is one more picture, that is gender equality sustainable development goal SDG. So here that is the work option. Government is even giving the work, mainly plantation work, then the laborer works, those who are not that much educated, so they are also getting the daily wages work by the government itself. So here one poster is given. What do you think this poster is trying to say? So both the posters answer, you have to answer in the FNB, understand what they want to say by your own, and in your words you have to answer it. So hope you have understood the thing. The chapter is over here. With this I will send the PDF, so complete your FNB and as well as worksheet. with the explanation, as we are going to start our revision. So with the explanation revision video, I will send the PDF of worksheet, so you have to compare the answer and you have to write down. Already you might have been completed till chapter 3 in civics, also history and geography, that we have already completed. If you are having any query, then please text me or message me in WhatsApp. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.